Hello, this is Edward Ojambo. Ojambo.com has an article about implementing a fixed toolbar on our website. The link is ojambo.com/ojambo fixed toolbar. The toolbar will be positioned at the bottom. An optional background image will be created. The sponsor for the video is Ojamboshop.com. Ojamboshop.com carries templates for WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla content management systems. You'll find things for e-commerce such as Abracart, VirtualMart, and ZenCat at Ojambo Shop. Books on improving your health can be purchased conveniently at Ojamboshop.com. In order to follow along with this tutorial, the following tools are required. Text editor to create HTML and CSS files. I use Genie, which was reviewed on Ojambo.com. Browser to view final output. I use Firefox and Chrome. Optional graphics editor to create background. I use GIMP. The file size is 36 by 36, height and width. Transparent, fill width. A rectangle select tool to draw a square, that's 36 by 36 pixels. Then I'll use the blend tool, and I'll use the gradient of wood and draw it from the top to the bottom. Top to the bottom. Then I'll save this file as square PNG file. Next, I open up Genie, and I'm going to create the index.html file. Okay, I'll just change the title to Ojambo.com fixed toolbar tutorial. Then I'm going to use an external style sheet, so I'll use the link, and rel is style sheet, the type is text, CSS, and of course the reference to the file is index.css. And I'm going to dump in some lower Ipsum file text just for scrolling up and down. And after that, I'll create the fixed bar. This will be the fixed toolbar. So I'll put something in here. I'll just put some unlisted items. I'll call it nav bar. And the list items will be, I'll just call it item 1 for the first one. And I'll copy this and paste it, and I'll name the second one item 2. Next, I'll create the index.css file. So it's called fixed bar. I don't know why I feel like typing floating bar here. But anyway, so we link to our square PNG we created. I'm going to, that will be our background. Position will be fixed. The margin will be 0, just auto to center. Left will be 0, bottom will be 0. So this way it coincides to the width of your browser. Right, of course, will be 0 as well. Then index will be 999, just so that we do not get anything that about it. The nav bar margin will be 0, list type none. And the list items, we want them flow to the left, all of them, and we give them padding of 10 pixels. Okay, now we fixed the fixed bar, and the Z index is 999 and not a pixel, and the height is 36 pixels as well. So we save this, and then we're going to open up in Firefox, and you can see we're going to scroll up and down. It doesn't change. Then I'll resize the browser as well. As you can see, the up or down, big or small, the text, the fixed toolbar stays in the same place. Now the fixed toolbar can be permanently affixed anywhere on our website. Important details such as links can be put in the toolbar. Remember to visit the tutorial sponsor, ojamboshop.com. I hope you find this information useful. The tutorial can be found at ojambo.com. Please visit and leave feedback.